Hi guys, welcome to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make whipped cream frosting, which is half cup chilled cream. You can do any brand if you want. We took Tropolite brand. Now let's beat it for 3 to 5 minutes on low speed. If you do it in high speed, the air is going to come inside and you can see many lumps inside. And if you decorate the cake with that lumpy cream, the cream will fall off by itself. You can slowly see that after beating on low speed, you can see that there is no lumps and it is also becoming fluffy and soft. After 3 minutes, if you take the creams off the side and then place it in a one place, the cream will be very good and it will also be stiff. Now we will beat it until it's perfectly stiff. Like for example, when the cream is, you don't know when the cream is gonna be stiff, so you should take the bowl and flip it. If the cream is not falling, then it is perfectly stiff. Now the cream is ready. I don't have anything to say, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.